Hey learners, we are continuing the previous solution in this lecture as well. Because of some technical lag, we haven't completed the previous lecture, so we are solving again that problem only from the point where we have left this question. So in this problem we have seen how to calculate sales revenue, and after sales revenue how we can put various costs to get operating profit. So this calculation is for year 1, year 2 and year 3. We are still haven't got the important part of our question, important part of our solution, and that one is calculation of life cycle costing. So let us try to calculate life cycle costing. So what is life cycle costing that we have seen in previous lectures? So what, again I am repeating, what is life cycle costing? Life cycle costing is nothing but the sum of these all cost. Okay, so as I have said, the sum of, that means we will be adding all this amount in this column. So you can make a temporary formula for life cycle is sum of all years. Okay, this will be the sum of all years. So how we will going to calculate life cycle costing? Life cycle costing will be calculated by adding these three columns. Okay, so sales revenue for this column will be 250 plus 800 plus 525. 250, 800 and 525. The amount will be 1575. 1575. Don't assume that I cannot calculate these small figures. Because of time lag, I am getting my figures from my book only. Okay. So we have calculated sales revenue for this column, and that one is 1575. And the same process will be conducting for this all costs. So research and development cost 9 plus 1 plus nil. No figure here. 9 plus 1 10. Production cost, we have two cost: variable cost, fixed cost, and same in marketing cost and distribution cost. So we will be calculating that column by adding 100, 350, 325, 70, 70, 70. So 400, 500, 25, 5, 2, 5. 70, 70, 70, 7, 7, 21, 0. Okay. We are on the 3, 3, 6 to 5. Okay, this is 6 to 5. 6 to 5 and 210. Now we will be calculating marketing cost. Marketing cost, again we have two: variable cost and fixed cost. 50, 140, 90, 30, 25, 25. So we will be having figure of 280 and 80. 280 and 80. Same for distribution cost. The calculation for distribution cost will be plus adding these three amounts. That means this will be 200 and 10, 10, 10. This means 30. And we will be calculating, we will be adding these all amounts. These all amounts. So calculation for these all will be 1435. 1435. 1435. So 1435 is the cost, a life cycle cost for our this will be the cost for our electronic security device. This is our life cycle cost. This is our life cycle cost for 3 years. So the question have asked us to calculate budgeted life cycle operating profit. So this is budgeted life cycle cost. This is budgeted life cycle cost. 1435 is your budgeted life cycle cost. 1575 is your budgeted life cycle revenue, and by subtracting B from A, we will be subtracting 250 from 294, 800, 640, 525 minus 495, and 1575 minus 1435. So I am taking direct calculations here. Here you can see 250 minus 294. That means we have sold product for 250, but we have incurred 294. That means here we are getting loss from this product for year 1. So 250 minus 294, that will be 44, and this is lost. This is loss, and because of this is loss, we will be putting that this amount in brackets, because this is negative amount. That's why we are putting it in brackets. So this is our loss. I am writing here. You cannot write in your formal question in your answers, but only I am writing to indicate here this is loss. Okay. So same for 800 minus 646 will be 154. 525 minus 495 means 30, and this will be life cycle operating profit will be sum of 44, 154 and 30. So we will be calculating our operating profit by adding these all, but we cannot add 44. We have to subtract 44 from this amount because this is loss. So 154 plus 30 minus 44. So we got here 140. So 140 will be your operating revenue. This question we have solved for this amount. If question is asking calculate life cycle costing, calculate life cycle cost, so you have to calculate this amount. You can avoid this operating by calculation of operating profit. But if question is asking calculate operating profit, so you have to find all these figures and you can conclude with this figure. So this is how we can calculate our operating cost on for budgeted life cycle operating profit. So this is all about our question. If you have any doubt in this calculation, you can text me, and the thing is you have to give concentration on this preliminary levels questions, because this all are very easy. If you are avoiding it, then that can be difficult for you to solve difficult questions. So this is all about our questions. Now the time for assignments. As I have promised you that I will be providing you assignment for unit 1. So you have to solve your assignments on your simple pages of registers, and assignment questions will be uploaded on Google Classroom. And in question I have given 4 questions, and for question 1 will be important role of cost and management accountant, which will be for 4 marks, and question 2 will be for how one can become cost accountant or cost and or management accountant. That will be also for 4 marks. Question 3 will be write difference between financial accounting versus cost accounting versus management accounting, and this question will be for 8 marks, and last question will be objectives of management accounting. That will be also for 4 marks. So this is how you can make your assignment of 20 marks. So be serious while writing assignments, and if you have any doubt in writing assignments, you can ask me. So this is all about our today's lecture. We will going to take the practical question for this same concept, and that question will be somewhat advanced than this. So till then, be safe and thank you.